Member of Parliament for St. Elizabeth Southwestern Floyd Green says he has been working to address a long-standing sewage issue in an old housing scheme in St. Elizabeth. Residents of the Luana housing scheme sent TVJ News videos of the sewage overflowing onto the roadway and in some cases at the entrance to some homes. A resident pointed to remnants of used toilet paper stuck in grass along the sidewalk that's a threat to the nearby Black River morass.
These are all toilet papers. It goes to the end and it goes into the drain, which runs across the road and into the morass.
As the scheme has expanded over the years, it has placed additional burden on the sewage. We've worked with the TVJ to put in a more regular system of cleaning and management, but again, because of the size of the sewage plant, there are instances that it does overflow. Thankfully, we have a new project that has been approved by.
The MP says the sewage was not properly designed to begin with and was too small to support all the houses. However, he says Cabinet has approved a project that should bring a more long-term solution.
That will bring about 600 new housing lots. We will do a modern state-of-the-art sewage plant that will replace the old one, and that will completely treat all the issues that the residents are having. So I want to thank the residents for their patience. I know it has been challenging. I've been in constant discussion with HAJ to ensure that until that new sewage plant is done, the maintenance, the cleaning has to be specifically done on a weekly schedule so that we don't have some of these issues.